Welcome to RIA's Manifesto 2024. We'll be taking a closer look at RIA's 5 asks to ensure a fresh start for rail. Our 4th ask is for the government to support a sustainable supply chain. Over half of all UK rail expenditure is spent through businesses in the supply chain. It is vital that these businesses, whether large or small, have the confidence to invest in the skills and innovation that are needed to deliver an effective and efficient railway. Rail brings highly skilled job opportunities across all regions of the country, with thousands of skilled positions needing to be replaced by the end of the decade. Where suppliers have sufficient certainty over future work, they will invest in the skills the industry needs, such as supporting apprenticeships. Reducing uncertainty and giving the supply chain confidence is crucial to the future success of the rail industry. Rolling programs of continuous, stable investment mean that expertise is retained and the most efficient techniques can be honed over a long period of time. In contrast, the current boom and bust cycles we sometimes see are inefficient and lead to chronic knowledge loss and wage inflation. Only government is in a position to look across the whole portfolio, to schedule and sequence work, and optimize the efficiency of the supply chain. At present, companies in the rail supply sector often do not know which projects will happen, or what funding is allocated. The government must publish a clear pipeline of future investments to enable companies to plan ahead. Public procurements must apply best practice, which is now well established, such as is set out in the government's construction playbook. This can reduce unnecessary added costs and remove complexity, encouraging innovation and greater efficiency. In the lead-up to procurement reform in October 2024, government and clients should work closely with suppliers to ensure a smooth transition. To find out more about the need to support a sustainable supply chain, visit our website at riagb.org.uk. RIA, championing a dynamic rail supply sector.